video game.
Oh, you're back. How did it go?
We want to go on the cruise ship.
The cruise ship?
Yes, it can take us to America and to Italy and to Germany.
I'm not sure, Peppa. We don't have tickets. And our new friends are just getting settled into their new house.
Ahoy!
Who could it be?
Is this the new neighbour's house?
Well, yes. And who might you be?
I'm Captain Otter of the cruise ship.
Hello, Captain Otter.
Quite the big family you have here. Anyway, I have come to invite you all on board the cruise ship.
To invite us?
Precisely. As the newest residents, you are invited to come with us on any trips you want.
Hooray!
But we're still unpacking and getting used to the house.
And actually, we're not new.
Well, I could go on a trip.
Daddy Pig.
The offer extends to everyone in this house. If you want to go on a trip, just take the car and come to the harbour. I will take you wherever you want to go. I'll meet you on board the ship. Goodbye.
Goodbye, Captain Otter.
So, what do you think?
I think we should go on a trip.
We appreciate the offer, but we really can't go right now. Or maybe... Would you like to go?
Yes.
All right then. You can go to the cruise ship with Peppa and her family.
Hooray!
Captain Otter has invited you all to the cruise ship. Mummy and Daddy Pig will take you there in their car. A lot of exciting adventures await you.
I'm very happy with how the house turned out. Would you like to help me with the cupcakes?
But they're already finished.
Not at all. They need sprinkles on top.
Ooh, how does it work?
Like this. Just take the sprinkle pot and sprinkle some on top of the cupcakes. Why don't you try it yourself?
It's time to add sprinkles to the cupcakes. You can add some sprinkles little by little, or add lots of sprinkles with a long shake. Give it a try.
This one looks good already. Beautiful. Just one more cupcake. Very good. These cupcakes look delicious, don't they?
Yes, yes.
You know what comes now? Now comes the best part. We eat them. Everything all right here?
Yes.
I thought I heard something.